To indicate a specific thing or situation close to the speaker. This is this one, this moment. This is the book I was talking about. Do you remember this moment from last year? To introduce a topic or subject. This means, this explains, this shows, this means we need to adjust our strategy. This explains why the results were not as expected. To express present time or condition this morning, this afternoon, this week. I had a meeting this morning. We will finish the task this week. To refer to something recently mentioned or experienced. This idea, this situation, this issue. I like this idea of working remotely. This issue has been troubling me for a while. To emphasize something notable or important, this serious, this critical, this is important for the success of the project. The decision is this serious, it cannot be taken lightly. To express agreement or understanding. This is true, this makes sense, this sounds good. This is true, we need more time to prepare. I think this makes sense based on the data we have. Common collocations with this year, this time, this way, this thing. I am excited about this year's goals. We need to complete it this way, following the steps. This thing needs to be done right now.